Ukraine fires M777 Howitzer that destroys a Russian tank convoy near Kharkiv.
Пострел! Заряди! Пострел!
As Western countries ship increasingly heavy arms to a beleaguered Ukraine, one of the most important transfers so far is an arsenal's worth of field howitzers. Unlike the Ukrainian army's existing big guns, these artillery pieces come in NATO calibers and are the key to unlocking the West's precision-guided artillery technology. The tech, which includes GPS-guided artillery shells and tank-hunting munitions, could make Ukraine's cannon cockers exponentially more powerful. Ukraine's army has halted Russia's advance into the country, and in some cases, like northwest of Kyiv, even sent the Russian ground forces scurrying back across the border. The Ukrainians have relied heavily on field artillery to hold off Russia's invasion and consider it their most effective weapon. The Ukrainian Ground Forces have a considerable number of artillery, both traditional tube and rocket artillery. The total includes two S3 Akatsiya 152mm and two S1 122mm Gvazdika self-propelled howitzers, 122mm BM-21 Grad truck-mounted multiple launch rocket systems, and D-20 152mm and D-30 122mm towed artillery pieces. Although theoretically numerous, the pieces are almost all old, produced by the Soviet Union before its collapse in 1991. The guns are also produced in Soviet-era calibers, which a dwindling number of countries, including Russia and Ukraine, continue to operate. NATO forces, on the other hand, use standardized 155mm artillery shells. Those 3mm make a world of difference, rendering Western and Soviet-derived shells incompatible with one another. But now, as the West grows bolder in sending advanced weapons, Ukraine is set to receive more than 100 155mm artillery pieces. The United States is slated to send 90 M777 towed howitzers, the current towed artillery piece in use by the U.S. Army and Marine Corps. Australia is sending 6 M777s, and Canada is sending 4. The Netherlands has promised 6 PZ-2000 155mm self-propelled howitzers, while France will send between 10 and 12 Caesar truck-mounted 155s. These howitzers have powerful implications for Ukraine's hitting power.